Welcome to Disney's All-Star Music Resort, one of 3 value resorts that are close to both the ESPN Wide World of Sports and also Animal Kingdom Park. On this show, we'll give you a resort tour, show you the different areas you can stay, and also our inside tips and advice on how to stay here at one of the value resorts like a pro. When you stay at an all-star resort, you should get treated like an all-star, and that starts with the red carpet. Hi, I'm Rob, your ghost host, and we're going to start the tour by showing you the rooms. And like all of the value resorts, this is a motel style with an exterior hallway and an exterior door. Just a tap of your magic band, and you're in. The rooms here are typically what you'd expect for any of the Disney moderate resorts. Double beds, carpeting, only one sink, the shower with a tub, and also a small TV. Good news is, they will be renovated in the near future. If you've stayed at either Pop Century or Art of Animation, this lobby and check-in area is definitely a lot smaller, and it does tend to get very crowded. This iconic structure has graced the Radio Disney Music Awards red carpet since 2014. It represents the Ardy, awarded to artists by fan vote every year. Today's biggest stars walked through the arch as they made their way into the awards ceremony. Artists include Gwen Stefani, Fifth Harmony, Nick Jonas, and many more. And don't forget to take a selfie with the Ardy Arch. The food court, in my opinion, is pretty small compared to the size of the resort, but I can tell you there is plenty of seating, and the food options are actually pretty decent. After a hot day of walking around the park here at the resort, nothing tastes better than a strawberry shake. This one is of the adult variety. It's called the Jam Session, and it is a traditional strawberry shake made with strawberry ice cream and milk, but it also adds a few ounces. Hey, you're supposed to wait. It adds a couple ounces of Frangelico, topped with whipped cream and sprinkles. Definitely check it out. It's one of 2 adult variety milkshakes you can get here at the resort. Good. Definitely try it. Oh, you're killing me. Go ahead. There are 2 pools here. Featured pool behind me and the less crowded and much quieter piano pool. Relax and grab a drink at Singing Spirits, the pool bar. If you're staying in the Calypso area, which is towards the front of this resort, you're gonna miss all that's in the back of the resort. We're here sitting a really nice area. This is the Broadway area. Walking down Broadway to the left is the country area, which is the place you want to stay if you want to get the most exercise, because it is way far away from the main building and the shops and the restaurants. If you love the classic Disney plays, you're going to want to stay in Broadway. I was talking to one of the Broadway managers here, and I was asking him if he knew what song these notes are for on the railings. And he said no, and I've been trying to figure it out. So the main street down here is, of course, called Broadway. We're coming up to 34th Street, and the entrances to these buildings look like a Broadway box office. But if you're looking for a ticket to a play at this window, you're going to be waiting an awful long time. The value resorts all have a very unique staircase at the end of each building, and here this is obviously Broadway and the stage door. And now it's time to shop. I like this one. There are many different ways to to spend your money here in the gift shop. Looks like an album. I did not know they still had albums. That's a good sign. We're going retro. And in case you forgot a book or a sundry, plenty of snacks here. Although I will say, do not use a snack credit for these snacks. Do that in the park. Not bad when it comes to an entire bottle of wine at Walt Disney World. I will say that. They even have a spa. I did have to bring my own beer. This is not a spa. You insert money, and it doesn't even feel very comfortable. And if you're really lucky, Mickey might even be staying next to you. If you'd like a Ghost Host shirt or any other custom Disney apparel, you can go to mydistee.com. That's mydistee.com, and the link is in the description of this video. Also, be sure to subscribe. Just click that little button on the lower right. Thanks for watching, and have a magical day.